What would happen if a magnitude 10 earthquake struck? The only place where this earthquake would be in Ring of Fire. In the Pacific Ocean, this region contains in 90% of earthquake in the world. In the first moment of the earthquake, in the center, it will produce energy equal to that of a million nuclear bombs like the Hiroshima bomb. After 30 seconds or 1 minute, the effect of this earthquake will have reached cities and regions far from its epicenter. This affects energetic new earthquake and new volcanoes, and this effect will reach all parts of the world, where citizens say that the weakest tremor will be 3.5 Drex. The death toll will reach 100 million, except the great economic impact. In the end, these are just happinesses. It is impossible for an earthquake of this size and effect to have occurred.